Welcome, my name is Lynette, and today we're going to be talking about Canva and adding recording to your presentations. So, at first, I have my presentation that I am going to be making flashcards for my classes. My class is an abacus class, and I want the questions to be very specific. And I just wanted to questions in an audio form so it's easy for the kids to listen. So, what I'm going to do is I have my slide, and my slide, I have my question. Now, all I have to do is go to the uploads folder, and in the uploads folder, there is an option to record yourself. So I'm going to click on the button that says record yourself, and it will take me to a separate screen. Now, here I look at my camera, I look at my icon. I don't mind having it there because I'm actually going to cover myself. I don't want to distract my students with my face. So you can either turn off the camera and you're still going to see something there. So it actually doesn't matter in this presentation whether I have it on or off. But let's continue on with seeing what options there are. So here you can mirror the camera, so you can flip it back and forth. This one, you could change the shape. So it can either be a circle or it can be a rectangle. Here's the effects. I can make my skin smooth because I need to make it nice. Okay, anyways, I don't really mind here because I'm not going to be showing my face, so it doesn't matter. Or we can add in other filters. Again, since I'm not going to show my face, I don't need it there. Okay, so I'm going to record just a few and then I will show you how I'm editing it. All right. So I'm going to start recording. And it's always nice if you can smile before you start talking because you can hear it in your voice. All right. Ready? Okay. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 2 minus 1. Answer? 1. 9 negative 6. Answer? 3. I had an unexpected sound, so all I had to do was delete and re-record. 3. Wow. All right. So I'm going to stop this. I'm going to save it and I'm going to exit. So when I save and exit, it will actually upload all of the videos that I have created in the uploads folder. Highly recommend after you finish all of recording, take the whole thing and put it in a folder. You'll notice that I have this. You can extract the audio. You have to wait for everything to get uploaded. While we wait, do 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 do. I just realized only old people know what that means. Do 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 do. Okay, I think it's all done. All right. So here, as I said, I didn't want my face to distract anybody from the questions. So what you could do is you can either extract the audio like that, and this is the audio, and you can delete the video. You can do that. I need to show what it would look like when I have my timing. And this timing is going to be more. So I need to make it bigger so it makes sense. And then when I play it, you will have 5 seconds to answer each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. You could extract it. The only one thing is you can only have 50 audio tracks for any given design, which is fine. I mean, if it's a short, I mean, mines are kind of long, so it won't help me. And then what I did notice that if I did extract it, okay, so I'm going to extract this one because I only want them I only wanted to say the number. So I'm going to extract it. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to extract it, and then here it is. I'm going to delete my video. Notice it goes from here to here. So when I play, 9, -9. Answer? Okay, so there it goes. However, I noticed the problem is if I'm like, you know what? I don't want the 9 to be there. I want it to go over here. Well, I changed the order of my slide, but notice that it does not take the recording. What if, oops, what if I did it this way? So if I select that and this, select, select. So I can only select, nah, I can't do it, see? So if I select my recording and I select my slide, I cannot move them together, see? Okay, so to work around this issue, what I thought of was, okay, I don't want my face to be there. What do I do? I will add in a white background just to cover it up, which is fine. I don't need them to always see my face, right? But I want them to hear it. That was the point. I want them to hear. So now if I play it, you should I can hear it. 0. 7, take okay. So that was one thing. So now if I decide to move it over here, it follows. The video file follows my slide. So I can rearrange it any time that I like. Okay, so that was one thing. The other thing is now the problem is I couldn't change the length of my video. This slide specifically I couldn't change because the problem is it won't extend further out. So I think what I need to do, and this is a little bit of a pain, change all of it, apply it to all of my, okay, so maybe that's what I need to do. I am here. I can now change the timing on across the whole thing. But then if I do that, and I'm going to say adjust to everything. Okay, so the workaround is you need to create one slide that is without the video. So then if you notice there's the timing on top, I'm going to delete this one. Show the element. Show element timing. There we go. Okay, so that's the workaround. Create a separate slide and add in your 5, go across, and then modify as needed. So this one I need to make it bigger, so it looks like that. And then here's my, and then good thing is that the videos do not extend across the whole thing. It stays within the time allotted. So now all I got to do is go back and change my timings for my answers. I hope this helps, but that's the workaround for the videos and the timing of the videos. What I'm going to do is all I'm going to do is cover my face. So I take this and I just cover it and I'll go through and then that's it. So then what I do is I will just export it out as a, not a PDF, but as a video and then I'll upload it. And that's it. So now because I have it on my audio, because I have it my video, I can actually rearrange it. So before I forget, when you go to your uploads folder, highly recommend you take all of your videos and you place it in a folder that says whatever that you need to say. And I'm going to create a new folder. Simple subtraction, 1 digit, 2 lines. Simple subtraction. Okay. So just to keep it organized, because if you don't, there's going to be a ton of stuff. My presentation is going to be already 67 recordings. So just to keep up with all of the videos and all of your Canva stuff, because you don't want to be disorganized in Canva because it can be really unruly. But that's it. So that's adding audio to or the video to audio to my slides. And I hope this helps. And I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and I'll be happy to answer them. Bye.